Hello everyone, so as you all know, Surviv is dead, so I decided to move to another Battle Royale which is called Super Animal Royale. This tournament was on duo mode and my mate was Draven, so it was hosted on North American servers by Lupos. Thanks to him for hosting. I can show only a few moments during the tournament, so I hope you'll enjoy the clips. So here is the leaderboard, so as you can see it was pretty tight in between the top 1 and the top 2. Alright, time for the video now.
This man. Oh, he's low as fuck. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead.
Can you heal? Can you heal me with... Oh,
I can't.
Can you kill the zone?
I killed him. Come here. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. I got him. Sorry. I hit him. He's probably coming up too.
Bro, this guy is pushed me with the EV commandancy.
Oh yeah, I used the. I can probably. I don't know if I should go back there.
They're only gonna play us, I guess.
He had a jag, but there's people here. Watch out! Watch out!
I don't have healings. I have to find.
I can give you help. Wait, there's a snorkel here if you need. Oh wait, yep. You keep the because I think the snorkel is it's always been heal up.
There is people.
There's a guy in here.
I'm going to use that, right?
Yeah, he's running away with it because he's playing solo.
Oh, there is people close. Yeah, there. One.
Yeah, 1 HP, 1 HP.
Below B, bottom.
Yeah, fine. Hit him. His armor. He has armor. He has armor.
Oh, there is two people.
Under us. There's a guy under us. Hit him. He has no armor.
Okay.
Hit him. He's dead. I have a jag. Wait.
One is down.
Reloading. Up here. Come on. Killed him. Another one.
Yeah, my down.
Yeah, there's another guy here. Another one dead. Dead.
Oh my god.
I have 6
Insane, bro! How did we win this? Oh my god. Oh, Draven, you're good.
Again. I have blue hunting rifle and blue shotgun. The zone is moving.
Yeah, we should start to go. Just wanted to have crate at least.
Okay.
One more.
No.
I don't have a lot of heals.
I have oh, there's level 3. There's I have 200, so I can give you.
No, I have 145. It's okay, but Harna is having kids.
Yeah. I mean, I was watching the kill feed, and this is the first time I see someone kill someone. There's a guy here. Yeah, but I'm not fighting them. They're waiting here. Under.
Okay. Careful.
There might be someone here now.
There will be a lot of people there. Let's try to. Should we go bottom right? I don't know.
There's people here, like 100% in the farm.
Let's hold this place, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, this is so many people and it's so small, so no one is fighting.
I hit someone.
We can hide in the trees.
I hit someone. Yes. I just don't want someone to push. Yeah, I hit it again, so there is someone inside. Careful, they can push us.
I'm walking. Where?
Don't shoot. You know what? Don't shoot. Just shoot at people that are close to us. We get a lot of placements right now.
He doesn't see us probably. How cringe is this? Or if we spam the Hana is top there. Get the guy. Oh, it's a Jack.
I hit it, Dogna on the left.
Oh, Hana is no HP, or shield. All my kills. Holy shit. Give me that. It's only Mikhail. Oh my god. Dude.
Top 2, I got 2 kills. How many?
I have 4.
Oh my god.